Alrighty, it cut off, so this is part 3 of the VHS cleaning. I found, and I don't know if I showed these two were clean, so I'll be keeping these two. Tom and Jerry, Whiskers Away, and Piglet's Big Movie. And then this is the next one that I just cleaned off, half-assed. I'm pretty sure I already have this movie. This is Winnie the Pooh, but it has mold. We have Pinocchio, which I don't know if I have that yet. I think I just felt a raindrop. I think these are good. Pinocchio's good to go. And I will have to double check. If I don't have this movie, I will give it away. Sky, leave it on, please. Oh, it says Stories of the Bible. I'm gonna give this one away. Skylar, may I leave it alone, please? Thank you. Thank you so much. This one's about Moses, and we'll check just to see. It looks okay. This next one is Gone to Texas. Sam Elton and Michael Beck. Didn't I say that one had mold? Oh no, this one was okay. This next one. I'm gonna take this one out and I'll keep the box. Yeah, like I think the one that's crushed, most of these ones right here are crushed or have water damage in some type of way. So I think the ones that I'm gonna keep, I'm gonna trade out for a nicer box instead of the crushed boxes that are here. One is called the what? The Wrath. This one has mold. I can throw that away, that's fine. This one has mold though. Right? And so yeah. Empty bags. And this is our last one. And here, this is Child of Glass. Can you read that? I am shows you our education system in America. I cannot read cursive. I think this one has mold. So the ones that we have that work is this pile. So I appreciate you watching. I'm gonna go bring another pile and go separate it somehow. So have a good day, guys. I may jump back over here, but the sun is escaping and I really need the sun to see into them. So have a good day.